Stop for a second and feel all the blessings you have around you right here, right now, this minute. We are bombarded with so many blessings. If you look around wherever you're at, whether you're in a public place or you're in your home or maybe you're in a hotel, it doesn't matter. You have blessings all around you. When you can feel that what you desire has already come or that it is right there, you're on the cusp of it, it's just like an amazing feeling. Feel blessed, feel grateful. And as you're growing your business, and we know I'm going to talk a little bit about this here today because so many people out there, I'm hearing about it, are getting stuck, they're getting frustrated. They're like, well, I don't know what to do. I've started this, I've joined this team, or I've joined that team, and something is just not working for me. I'm hearing that a lot. So this is to answer some of you guys' questions. I'm not going to get everybody because that would be a very long tutorial. So keep learning and using your skills. Use the skills you already have. Use the skills that you're learning, your new skills, and listening to wake-up calls. If you're with a group, you're with a company, like, digital marketers or, whoever is there, you need to listen to their wake-up calls that will get you focused, get you motivated on the right track. Coaching calls. They should have coaching calls at least every week that you can get on and learn technical and not just that, but inspirational. Coaching calls on how to work a funnel, how to work a sales force, how to create that course. And listening to these trainings every day will not only add to your knowledge base of what you're learning, it will also add to your skill set. As you get on these different live courses or live trainings, you're going to learn so much. And depending on what company you're with, what kind of training you're getting, they should be giving you training, at least every week. There should be some training, if not daily, every other day. And maybe you have a weekly webinar. Take advantage of these because they are free for you in most places. So when we do things the right way, and that was expected. You're expected to do things a certain way. Well, you also have to do things that are feeling right for you. Because what works one way for one person may not work that way for you. That's fine. That just means maybe you need to go a different route. Maybe you need the same concept of what the end result is of you getting sales, you getting leads, you getting members to your team. So when you have access to the awareness that you need, you're going to take that one step further as you go and you're going to say, hey, I got this. You have the guidance around you to create the courses, to create the funnels. That is not just going to give you a team, a tribe, it's also going to give you the ability to be the leader, be the teacher, show people how you're doing this, show them how you're building these courses, how you're building these funnels. And now with the incorporation of AI, we've got another step there. I don't know about you, but sales funnels always kick my butt because it takes so long to put them together. But now with the company I'm with, yep, we have AI. And that helps us to build these funnels, build them quickly. The AI takes our directions and then it puts it together. So simple, right? So what I used to take me hours or even days to build one funnel, now it's a matter of 30, 40 minutes, right? It's so simple. Keep in mind that you are a leader. Whatever you're doing, if you are growing a team, if you're growing a tribe, excuse me, keep your mindset in tune. Keep your mindset focused on, hey, we've got this. We are moving forward. We are set. We are going. Share your knowledge. Share your mindset. Share the inspiration. Share the intuitive realization you're getting from doing everyday mundane things that have turned out to be really good for your business. Right? It's all about that. Your mindset is right there. And the more you keep in tune with your mindset, you're going to get more and more in the focus of, hey, you know what? I've got this ability. I love helping people. I am on a mindset to create the bricks, create the bricks that I need to work on. It's going to take me and you in the direction we need to go. That is a mindset that is very powerful. It is a mindset that I use daily. It's because I know I have a plan, always a plan, and I have to use my mindset and I have to use inner love and guidance and happy, healthy, wealthy, all these things to grow and prosper. And you can do the same thing. So when you're at that point and you're seeing that you're struggling, whatever it is, or you're finding you don't have focus, ask yourself, what can I do to get myself in line with where I need to go? Keep in mind, all you have to do is ask and it is given. It's in scripture. It doesn't matter if you follow scripture or not. Some people do, some people don't. I'm not judging. I'm just saying, regardless, if you ask, it is given. So be careful what